Hello and welcome to the Disk and VM Snapshot screencast. In this video, we will show how to take both disk and virtual machine snapshots and demonstrate how to recover from them. Disk snapshot functionality allows you to save the state of an individual disk. The disk snapshot can be taken while a virtual machine is in either a running or powered off state. The recovery operation can only be performed when the virtual machine is powered off. A disk snapshot, as well as the disk itself, can be converted into an image at any time. Operations such as taking a whole virtual machine snapshot and recovering from it require the virtual machine to be in a running state. Note that the virtual machine snapshots cannot be converted into an image. To take a virtual machine snapshot, select the desired virtual machine and navigate to the Snapshots tab. Press the Create Snapshot button. Give your snapshot a descriptive name. In this case, we are taking a snapshot of the virtual machine while the application's database is empty. This will allow us to restore it to a clean state at any time. The virtual machine will remain in a hot plug snapshot state temporarily before returning to the running state. Let's verify the snapshot in action. We will open an application and produce some data a few times. Then we will query the database to confirm it's no longer empty. Now it's time to recover from the snapshot. Return to the snapshot list, locate your snapshot, and click the three dots to open the drop-down menu. Select the Revert Snapshot option. Once you confirm the action, the virtual machine state will change from running to hot plug snapshot and will return to running shortly. Returning to the application, let's try to query the data once more. As we can see, the database contains no records, confirming that the virtual machine was reverted successfully. To take a snapshot of a disk, perform other disk-related operations, or observe performance metrics, open the Storage tab. Each disk has a specific drop-down menu with all available options. Press the three dots icon and select the Create Snapshot option. Since the test remains the same, the disk snapshot will also be named to identify the database state. Back to application. As seen on the screen, the database is currently empty. Let's insert the data a few times. And then confirm that we can query the records. Let's return to Sunstone and open the Disk Action menu. There's a new option available, View Snapshots. Select this option. This menu lists all snapshots and enables you to manage them. You can delete, revert, rename, or convert them into a standalone disk. However, looking at the menu, we can see that the revert option is grayed out. This is because the virtual machine is currently running. Unlike virtual machine snapshots, the VM must be powered off to revert a disk snapshot. Let's go ahead and power off the virtual machine. Once the virtual machine state has changed to powered off, navigate back to the Disk Snapshot Management and select the Revert Snapshot option. Now let's power on the virtual machine and wait until it returns to the running state. And now we can complete our test once again by requesting the data from the database. Based on the output, we can confirm that the disk was reverted and the database is once again empty. This concludes our screencast, where we have demonstrated how to take disk and virtual machine snapshots and how to perform the revert procedure for both. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next screencast.